Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You grab your phone and publish now. Don't wait for perfection. Pick one niche and shoot 3 short ideas today because speed reveals what works. Once done, edit to a vertical 9:16 ratio, cut to the hook in the first 2 or 3 seconds, and caption with one clear call to action. Make sure to tag with 3 relevant tags, set a thumbnail frame, and post consistently. This starts your algorithm momentum and small revenue signals immediately. You focus on metrics now. Retention, click-through rate, and view velocity tell you what to double down on. Once a format hits good retention, batch produce 7 to 14 shorts per week and repurpose longer content into multiple clips. Make sure to enable monetization paths, meet YouTube partner program thresholds, add affiliate links, and pitch brand deals when you have steady views. Use a /B testing for thumbnails and hooks, and scale the versions that bring sustained watch time and steady CPM. You now polish for profit. Diversify income with ads, super thanks, affiliate links, merch, and sponsorships so one dip won't kill revenue. Once done, review analytics weekly and focus edits on tightening the first 5 seconds to boost click-through and watch time. If you hit problems, troubleshoot quickly. Reduce copyrighted audio, fix low CTR with new thumbnails, and restore consistency in posting. Remember, one effective fix often restores growth. So test a change, watch 72 hours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.